Best outdoor wood rocking chairs comparison rocking. Chairs have long been a staple of comfort and relaxation, offering a timeless aesthetic and functional appeal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're looking to unwind on your patio, read a book in your living room, or add a charming touch to your garden, a wood rocking chair can elevate your space. List 1. This mid-range rocking chair is crafted from durable acacia wood, offering a sleek and exotic look that naturally withstands outdoor elements. Its slat panel design and long rockers provide a classic yet contemporary aesthetic. The addition of water-resistant cushions enhances comfort while ensuring ease of cleaning. Measuring 24 inches W by 33.25 inches D by 35.75 inches H, this chair is compact yet spacious enough for adults. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of users. The chair is ideal for patios and gardens, blending functionality with style. In testing, the chair's rocking motion was smooth and soothing, making it perfect for extended relaxation sessions. The acacia wood proved resistant to weathering, though we recommend covering the chair during heavy rain to preserve its finish. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The cushions, while water-resistant, are not waterproof, so caution is needed during use. Overall, this chair balances durability, aesthetics, and comfort at a reasonable price point. List 2. Christopher Knight Home Selma Acacia Rocking Chairs. This premium set includes 2 acacia wood rocking chairs with water-resistant cushions, making it ideal for couples or families. The teak finish adds a sophisticated touch, while the slat panel design maintains a classic aesthetic. Each chair measures 24 inches W by 33.25 inches D by 35.75 inches H and supports up to 400 pounds. The set is designed for outdoor use but works equally well indoors, offering versatility and value. During testing, the chairs provided excellent comfort and stability, with the long rockers delivering a soothing motion. The cushions were easy to clean, though we recommend storing them indoors during inclement weather. Assembly took slightly longer due to the additional chair, but the process was straightforward. While the price is higher than other models, the quality and inclusion of 2 chairs justify the investment for those seeking a matching set. List number. The Yifu rocking chair stands out with its oversized design, high backrest, and deep seat, offering exceptional comfort. Made from high-impact polystyrene, the chair mimics the look of wood while being waterproof, anti-corrosion, and resistant to fading. With a weight capacity of 380 pounds, it caters to most adults. Its ergonomic structure ensures proper support, making it ideal for relaxation in various settings. We found the Yifu chair to be highly durable, with its weather-resistant material holding up well against rain and UV exposure. The rocking motion was smooth, and the high backrest provided excellent support for extended use. Assembly was straightforward, thanks to pre-drilled holes and included stainless steel screws. However, the chair's heavier weight, 46.9 pounds, may make it less portable than other models. List 4. This Adirondack-style rocking chair is crafted from kiln-dried cedar wood, known for its natural resistance to cracking and warping. The eggshell white finish adds a charming touch, while the water-based paint ensures durability against UV damage and moisture. Measuring 34 inches D times 25.5 inches width times 45.25 inches height, it offers a traditional design suitable for patios, gardens, and porches. The chair performed well in outdoor conditions, with the cedar wood showing minimal signs of wear. The rocking motion was smooth, but the seat depth, 18.5 inches, may feel slightly restrictive for taller users. Assembly was quick, thanks to pre-assembled seat and backrest components. While the chair is durable, its weight capacity of 250 pounds is lower than other models, limiting its suitability for larger users. List number 5. Outvita Wood Children's Rocking Chair. This budget-friendly option is designed specifically for children aged 6 to 10, featuring a sturdy FSC-certified wood frame with a waterproof coating. The chair supports up to 150 pounds and offers a safe rocking structure with rounded armrests. Measuring 13.4 inches wide by 13.8 inches long, it provides a comfortable seat for kids, making it a great addition to playrooms or outdoor spaces. The Alvita chair excelled in safety and ease of use, with its stable rocking motion and child-friendly design. Assembly was simple, allowing parents to involve their kids in the process. However, the chair's small size and limited weight capacity restrict its use to children. Additionally, the black finish, while stylish, may show scratches more easily than lighter colors.